there, young scientist. Had a little accident in the lab, but everything's fine, and I got it all cleaned up. Hey, Carefree Charlie. How you doing?
Hi, Doc Ford. How you doing? I got your tacos ready.
Jumpin' jelly beans. Those look delicious, Charlie.
Yeah, Doc. They are delicious. You know how I do in the kitchen. And just in time for Cinco de Mayo.
Oh, yeah. I forgot all about Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, Doc. Cinco de Mayo is a holiday that they celebrate in Mexico and all over the world. It's a great time to celebrate Mexican culture, enjoy the food and the music. And you know I love making tacos on Cinco de Mayo.
Yeah, Charlie. Those look great. I'm gonna have to come on over and grab them.
Okay, Doc. Come on over.
I'll see you later. All right. See you later, Charlie.